Hi, welcome from Moscow. I'm not sure if you were able to see me, but yeah, it's me. That's Moscow. But yeah, I'm not about to talk about Moscow. I'm about to talk about Hanoi, about my last layover before the one here in Moscow. So I've been there for 58 hours. And I'm trying to edit the video and I can see that there is no introduction, so I'll quickly record one now. So day number one is Halong Bay, is the boat, is the kayaking. Then day number two is the place where they recorded a Kong Skull Island movie. Yeah, that's it. That's what I wanted to do, so I've done it. So you enjoy the movie now. So we are doing the tour for. Actually, I'm not sure where. I think there. But it was supposed to be like the area where they were shooting the Kong movie, so the Kong Island. But to be fair, I don't really understand what our tour guide is saying. She's here.
We're going to get with you, yeah? We are going with you, yeah?
No one knows what is she saying. So yeah, the Kong tour. We're supposed to go to some cave, what I understood. Then cycle for like 40 minutes or something, and then I don't know. But yeah, it's warm, it's nice. That's all I can say by now.